Shaper tool is very powerful and handy tool when it comes to creating shapes. The Shaper tool is capable of recognizing gestures and convert them into shapes. It is located here on the toolbar, or you can alternatively press Shift N to select it. Now to draw some basic shapes like circle, triangle, square, you just need to draw a rough sketch on the artboard using the Shaper tool, and if Illustrator recognizes the gesture, it will create the shape. So let's draw some basic shapes. To draw a circle, just create a rough sketch and Illustrator will convert it into a circle. Similarly, you can draw a triangle, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, or line. The capability of the Shaper tool extends even further. You can also delete shape that you have drawn with the Shaper tool. Just scribble over the shape that you want to delete and the shape will be deleted. The shapes drawn with the Shaper tool are live shape, so you can dynamically adjust them. That is, you can edit the shape on the fly. Just click on the shape that you want to edit with the Shaper tool selected, and now you can edit the shape. If you drag this handle, you can increase or decrease the number of sides. You can even round off the corner by dragging this circle. You can scale the shape or even delete some portion of the shape. So if I drag this handle, I can create a cut in this ellipse. Similarly, I can round the corner of a square if I like. The feature that I like the most about the Shaper tool is its ability to unite or divide shapes. So if I draw a square and an ellipse and move the ellipse over the square and scribble over the boundary where the ellipse and square meet, I can unite both the shapes together. Likewise, I can unite even two circles or any other shape that I like. You just need to scribble over the boundary where the two shapes meet and the shape will be united. You can also divide or delete parts of a shape. To show you this, here I have 4 shapes made with a square, circle and a rounded rectangle. So in the first shape, if I want to remove this center circle, I can just scribble over it to remove the circle. Note here that the part of the circle which is on top of this blue square is not removed and it gets merged with the square. Similarly, I can remove the intersecting area by scribbling on this part. I can remove the square and the rounded rectangle like this. Note here, since the blue square is below the circle, that's why you don't see any blue on this circle. Likewise, I can unite the object by scribbling over the two objects. So to unite it, I have to scribble over the blue square and the circle. That is, you need to scribble on both the object that you want to unite. Now to delete a part of the shape, just scribble over the part that you want to delete. Note here, I just scribble on the yellow part and that part is removed. So this is all about the Shaper tool. Next we are going to learn about the pencil tool.